Good day, students! Today, we are going to tackle about summarizing key information. Today's agenda will be summarizing, importance of summarizing, paraphrasing, difference between summarizing and paraphrasing, and how to write a summary. Let us have a brief introduction about our lesson for today. Summarizing informational text helps students to improve their comprehension as they focus on the most important ideas in a text. It also helps them to organize the main ideas and minor details in a logical way. Now, let us discuss what is summarizing. A text summary is a shortened version of the important parts of a text. It should only include the text's main idea and key details in one's own words. Why is summarizing important? Summarizing is important because it helps you understand and learn important information by reducing information to its key ideas. How is summarizing different from paraphrasing? A summary is shorter than the original text, while a paraphrase can be shorter or longer than the original. Another one, a summary eliminates details, examples, and supporting points, while paraphrase describes the original text in different words. It does not leave out details. Is everything clear so far? Great! Now, let's proceed on how to write a summary. In order to summarize, we need to read the article and organize the information. Here are the steps on how we can organize the information. First, preview the text. Gather the necessary information to set goals. Second, read and understand the text. Review and analyze the text to make sure you understand it well. You can use a dictionary to find the meanings of any unfamiliar words. Next, read for main idea and key details. You can make an outline of the part or all of the text to find the main ideas and key details. Another one is to identify and paraphrase the topic sentence. The main idea is the most important information or concept in a text. One more, group the minor details. Organize your details by grouping the article into sections. This is how to organize information. Write the topic sentence, followed by the supporting details. Supporting details tell something about the topic sentence. Change the words, but never the meaning. A summary uses paraphrase sentences. In summarizing, you can change some words, but make sure that the original meaning is still stated. Now that you have learned how to organize information, you are now ready to write the summary. Here are the steps on how to write the summary. First, begin your summary with statement of the text. To begin the first sentence of your summary, write the author and the title of the text. Second, write the main idea of each section in one well-developed sentence. Make sure to write only the key points. Next is follow the order of ideas in the original text. Write the first main idea that you found in the text and then the major details. Then, write also the second main idea that you found in the text and its major details, and so on. Next, summary should be no more than 1/4 of the original text. It can be one sentence, one paragraph, or multiple paragraphs depending on the length of the original text. Although a summary is a shortened version of the original text, we have to make sure that the original meaning is still written. Another one. Make sure that your summary includes the meaning of the original passage and does not change the author's purpose or tone. And finally, read over your summary edit for grammatical and spelling errors. Let us have a summary of today's class. Recap 1. We learned that a summary is a shortened version of the important parts of a text. It should only include the text's main idea and key details in one's own words. Recap 2. We also learned that summarizing is important as it helps you understand and learn important information by reducing information to its key ideas. And recap 3. We also learned that a paraphrase describes the original text in different words. It does not leave out details. That's all for today. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching!
Click subscribe here at Teacherrific.